Hello, welcome back to Dina Tech. My name is Dina, and on this channel, I give you tips, tricks, and hacks based on your digital world. So, if you may be interested in content like this all the time, you may want to smash the subscribe button, click the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a video like this. So, without further ado, let's dive right into today's video.
Din Life Tech.
So coming back to today's video, we're diving into the world of digital transaction with the Eversend Virtual Dollar Card. So before we continue, a huge disclaimer here: I'm not affiliated with Eversend anyway. They have not paid me any money to do some kind of adverts. So this video is based on my experience with this virtual card. So I'm sure you all know what a virtual card is. A virtual card is in a digital form. You cannot have it physical. Or a physical card you can put it in your hand and you can use it in the ATM machine. So apart from that, their functions are all the same. So since I do a lot of online payments, and over the years I've been trying a lot of other virtual cards, and I'll tell you my experience has been very terrible. So you get up in the morning and they'll tell you the app is under construction, and you wait for like a month. The money is inside, you cannot do anything, you cannot move, you cannot do any transaction. So you send your money for you to reach your account, it will get stuck in the air, it won't reach your account. I mean, all of that can get you very pissed and frustrated. That's when I stumbled on Eversend. I mean, Eversend is mind-blowing. You can download it both in the App Store or Play Store. So when you download it, you create an account and you verify it. Okay, you create an account and verify it. Then after that, you create your virtual dollar cards. And one advantage with the virtual card is that it's a US-based virtual card. So all your information, the binding address of the virtual card is the US based. So your number, the location, the street, everything is US based. And everything you can use it literally everywhere, anywhere. I mean, you can use it to pay Google ads, Facebook ads, Netflix, Alibaba. I mean, you can use it anywhere. You can also convert your crypto to cash. And also to deposit and withdraw your money, you can also use your local bank like mobile money. Yeah, like mobile money, you can use your Orange Money or ATM money. And so I've actually been using Eversend for over a year now, and my experience, I'll tell you, I've not had any terrible complication with Eversend. Like, so if you want me to create a separate video about Eversend, just like this video and subscribe if you have not done so. So that's what will actually motivate me to know that you actually like the video and you want to see like more content about the video about Eversend. So if I receive like a lot of likes and subscribers, I'll do a separate video to teach you like how to create your account and get it verified, create your virtual card and start your online payment. I'm sure online payments is what has been like retarding you for your transaction. Yeah, so the link of Eversend will be in the description of this video below. So if you want to download it and start using it, so you can download it and start using it, create your account, get your virtual card and start your online payment. So the link will be in the description of this video below, both for Android and iOS. Okay, so guys, that is for this video. Thanks for watching, and until then, see you in the next one. Peace.
Din Life Tech.